Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend a warm welcome. Today I wanted to show you guys this electronics cover for my Xmaxx. So I'm going to take the top off to show you guys this. So it's basically just a cover to protect your electronics and stuff from leaves and mud or whatever else you might be wanting to try to protect this from. It's not fully waterproof. I think water can get through here, not sure, but the electronics of the Xmaxx is waterproof anyhow. But mainly I got this for the leaves and stuff, because whenever I'm running this thing out in the park in the fall, there was just leaves all trapped up all in here. It's really a pain to get all of those leaves out of there. So I got this thing off Amazon, and so this thing is pretty cool. I figured I'll show you guys this. It zips open and closes so you can get to the electronics to plug things in and all of that, but it's actually just velcroed on, so you can just tear this thing off. So what you do is, it comes with a velcro strip, and you basically just cut the velcro strip up and put little pieces of the velcro on the sides around the perimeter of the electronics. Like here I got one strip, I got one piece here, I got another piece over here, and same on the other sides, and in the middle here I have a piece here. And so the velcro on this little protective covering just attaches to all the parts where you put the velcro on the perimeter of the vehicle, and that is supposed to keep all the leaves and everything out of the electronics and make life easier for cleanup. And so we're going to test this thing out. I have never ran it with this on it, so this is going to be the first. And I'm going to run it through all the leaves and everything, and then we're going to pop this thing open and check it out. And I'm confident that it's going to work, because what else am I expecting to happen here? But let's go run it. There we go. There's tons of leaves out here. I can barely steer it correctly. I need to get me a ramp out here, man. Sheesh. So I think that's enough running for us to be the judge of it. Let's pop this thing open. And it looks like it's worked. We got a little ice in here too. And I imagine this will be nice for snow, keeping the snow out of the electronics and mud or whatever else it might be that you might be running through, that you want to keep out of the electronics for the most part. And so I'm going to say this thing is a go. And you guys know how I feel about the Xmaxx. The Xmaxx is awesome. So definitely a go. Thanks for watching.